How to create a YouTube channel in 5 minutes. All you need to know. When three colleagues, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Karim, registered the domain of YouTube.com on Valentine's Day in 2005, even God might not have thought that it will change their destiny forever. When YouTube was about 1.5 years of age, it was bought by the tech giant Google for $1.65 billion. Can you believe it? Now YouTube is the popular social media with 2 billion monthly active users and with more than 31 million channels. Do you know 300 hours of videos are being posted on YouTube every minute and 5 billion videos are being watched on YouTube every single day? Here we are helping you to enter into the world of amazing videos. We will explain the simple method to create your YouTube channel in less than 5 minutes. All you need is to look into the following 6 steps. Step 1. Register or create a Google account. Keep in mind that to watch, share, and comment on YouTube, you need a Google account. If you do not have a Google account, go to youtube.com and click Sign in the upper right-hand corner. From there, you are directed to a Google sign-in page. Click Create Account and then move on to Give Account Details. It is always good to generate a separate business account and a unique name if you want to create a well-defined business channel. If you have a Google account, visit the YouTube homepage. Click on the Sign In button that you find on the right-hand top corner. Then use Google credentials and password to log into the page. Remember, you always need a Google account. Step 2. Create a new YouTube channel using your Google account. Click on the user icon in the upper right-hand corner and then navigate to the Settings option in the drop-down menu. From there, you would be taken to your account dashboard where you find Create a New Channel option and then directed to create a brand account window. It can be any name you want, but it will be well and good if it is similar to the name that reflects the brand of your YouTube channel. Then, the verification process takes place via a text message or a voice call. You can enter the code you received from the option you choose. Once you have verified your brand account, you are taken to the dashboard of your channel. Let's take a moment to customize it. It is quite simple. Click Add and Verify. Step 3. Customization of YouTube channel. From the control panel, click the Customize Channel option where you would be taken to the basic page. There you come across the cogwheel icon in the middle of the page. Click on it to get redirected to Advanced Settings. Here's where you enter the basic information like the home country and keywords which help the viewers to discover your channel. These keywords can include numerous details like what your channel is about, the solution to problems, the people and products, and a lot more. It is also within these settings that you can link a Google Ads account, add a Google Analytics property tracking ID, and make various advertising selections for your channel when it's ready for promotion. Customization is the key to your success. Step 4. Add more details. For a new channel, you need to add descriptive details that opens up a world to your channel for your visitors as well as the subscribers. It tells the purpose of the channel, types of videos to be published, and can be optimized with special keywords to increase discoverability. Links to your website and social media pages from where they can learn more about you. All this is available in the About tab, where you can add the channel description, and Links tab, where you can include the links to Facebook, Twitter, and personal websites. Add more and more as you can. Step 5. Add a profile photo and a banner image. Last but not least, a good profile photo and a banner image are to be attached. You can click the Edit icon in the About page to add an image. To add a banner image, move your cursor over the gray background to show a small pencil icon in the top right-hand corner. Click this icon and select Edit Channel Art to add a banner image of customized sizes. Show them who you are. Step 6. Add videos. Now you are all set to upload videos and engage your customers officially. These videos need to be optimized every time and in turn help users discover your video. It all depends upon the title, description, category, tags, etc. Show your talents. Start speaking to the world visually. So that's it. An official YouTube channel is created for you. While signing off, keep in mind the success of Dude Perfect, a group of 5 friends who built an empire from their first video. Be creative, passionate, and have faith. The success will follow.